go.
What's up?
We're going.
What's up, guys?
Comedy Shorts Gamer here.
New project, Geo Metro. It was cheap. It's easy. It's everything you would ever want from a car. A few things. First of all, 94. It's blue. Wide body with wheels. Okay. It's pretty dirty, as you can see, by the sheer amount of dust. It's home to a lot of spiders. So it's sitting in a field for like the past year or so. So it could be countless other things going on with it. So let's go ahead, pop the hood. This is the performance package. 1 liter, 3-cylinder, carbureted. This is as basic as it gets. What a piece of shit.
It's like a fucking stalagmite growing like nowhere near the fucking terminals.
Corrosion on the terminals isn't
Look at those leaks. Oh boy.
Oh, I forgot to get some of that when we went to the... those didn't come with the car. We didn't get parts for it. Everything's in the car. There's that. It seats 7 people pretty comfortably, I would say. Oh, it's locked. Hold on. Theft proof, 100%. Now it comes with it. It just came with all these parts. New brakes. What the fuck?
It's your window shades, dog.
No, these are mirrors.
Are you autistic?
Oh, I lost one of the wide.
You scratched it.
I lost one of the wide wheels.
Yeah, too many spacers. Just fell off.
That's what happens. These are Sparco seats.
Bucket
Bucket.
for maximum comfort and security.
Just ignore that genuine. Does that say Dickies?
Yes.
It's a Dickies.
Barbecue and grill.
I didn't know they did racing seats.
Look, they have the Chilton for all those repairs that they didn't do.
Oh look, how convenient. Oil. So you can do an oil change on it too. Look at that. They thought of everything. Chromie, we don't.
Jesus Christ. Oh no.
A couple of lug nuts fell out of it, that's fine. Oh, look at this. Now, we have a couple normal filters, and then we have a high mileage filter. When this thing
Is
goes.
that one for each cylinder?
So this one is for when you're going on a road trip, and these ones are just for your day-to-day use.
Accurate.
It's also got a manual. Manuals are for losers. This is actually brand new too. Like this is actually in decent condition.
For all those repairs they weren't planning on doing.
It's quite a shame, really. It's brand new. Hate to see something happen to it. These.
Jesus Christ, those sounded intense.
This is not a ice scraper. This is just scrapers. Shit.
Oh, we still haven't even opened the fucking trunk.
Oh, you're right.
It's fucking peeps in storage.
Key comes with a free Mickey Mouse.
God damn it. Nah, Disney's not a sponsor.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I saw those. It has subs.
These aren't.
I didn't say anything while we were there because I didn't want them to be like, oh, I want those actually.
I didn't
so
actually
cute.
think these were in here.
They're so cute.
Oh my god. That's actually lit.
So cute.
Alright, well, that can just right over there. I'm gonna take a look and see.
Oh god, fucking actually heavy. Jesus.
That's probably the heaviest thing in this car.
The wires fell out. Don't worry about that. Oh, the seat folds down. That's cool.
Oh, does it? Oh, you look at that. Oh, it doesn't go very far because of the fucking speakers. Hold on. Let me just... that space!
Look at all that space
shit.
for like those dogs and whatever people put in the back of their cars.
You could give birth back here.
All I can think about is that scene from the first fucking Men in Black when that bitch gives birth to the alien baby in the fucking car. What's that? Blood stains? Just personality.
Oh, this car was used to murder people. Oh, that's fun. So we have the jack. It's actually bolted in for once. Holy
That's a
shit.
fucking surprise.
That is fucking tight.
You know what else is tight? The turning radius.
No one has ever said that in this car.
A few inches later.
One of these days.
It's a real shame that they don't make these so you can put an impact wrench on them.
They couldn't even be fucked to give you a full tire.
I think this rim is actually bigger than the rims that are on the actual car. No, yeah, the spare tire is the same wheel diameter as the actual rims. If your tire pops, you can just put the spare wheel tire on it and it won't change anything. Look at the size of it. Actually, I think the spare tire might be a little bit... What size is it? No, it's a 13-inch. Their spare tire is a bigger wheel than the actual 12s that are on it. Oh my god.
That is fucking phenomenal.
That's awesome. Okay, so that's the first thing that's gonna get ditched. Are we gonna do that Robbie thing where we put a hardwood back in I like hardwood flooring in the back of my car.
We could do that today for $11.
Don't even put like actual wood flooring, just take 2x4s.
Like, let's not fix the exterior at all, but let's have the interior be completely fucking immaculate. Fucking leather seats, hardwood fucking floors.
Put a couple lazy boys on. So the outside of the car looks like total dog.
Oh, are these pop-out windows?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Well, you don't know that about these things?
Ventilation, my dudes.
Hey, that's like
I mean, they barely pop out at all. That's not doing shit, but...
No, it's gauge.
Like, if you had like a smelly fart and you were going fast enough, just suck it right out.
Exactly. Oh, we lost another wide wheel.
You're gonna leave the stickers on for to show people how much money you got?
Yep.
Mine are body damage. That's totally not a full quarter replacement.
That came from the factory. See how the angles are?
Definitely not a full quarter replacement.
The rest is from factory too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's not on there at all.
Oh yeah. Look at. Oh yeah. Just the crunching noise. Oh god. I'm gonna cut myself. Have to go to the fucking tetanus shot.
These aren't very secure at all.
Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches.
Well, the owner said that the brakes were completely shot. And yeah, the brakes can ride really, really bad. So I guess that's the first thing. And then we're going to test out and see if those wheels actually fit in the car. If they do, it's going to be fucking lit.
Let's get this thing up off the fucking ground, get these wheels off, fucking see what we can do. Now we're just gonna slap a fucking cold air intake.
Just want to take the hood off. Already dropping. Like this. It's so light. Like it's just. I don't see an injector. I think this is actually a carburetor. That's fucking wild. I thought he was just bullshitting me, but nope. Okay. Odd. See, it barely fits in there. They probably would. No, they're 17s on a fucking Geo Metro. Like that's
Look at the amount of fucking spider nests in here. Like, Jesus Christ.
Most people when you buy a car, they wash the car before they work on it. Not me. I prefer my cars dirty. god. Look at the amount of fucking shit. I got a Honda
Exhaust
muffler that
throw in here.
might fit. Or is it not bolted in?
Oh no, we should put the fucking dually up tip on this fucking thing.
That's what I'm saying.
That's
But
fucking.
it's not bolt on, is it?
Nah, dog, just JB weld.
God, can you JB weld in exhaust?
So it's bolted on all the way.
At the cab.
Oh,
That's why I'm saying
Up
we just saw it off for the time being. Oh, dude, look how thin they got these brakes. See how thick that is? Solid rotor, right? Okay, pretty decent. Okay. Now, here's the other side.
holy shit, fuck.
It's been grinding for a while.
Jesus, how do you not fucking notice that? It's thinner than a fucking Lay's potato chip. Jesus Christ. The zip ties, though. So, we're gonna paint those red, right?
Can.
Or no, we gotta go blue to match the fucking car.
No, you're right, you're right. Please have the right bolt pattern on here. These are like... That's fucking weird.
I need a tailor.
I hate
Because I ripped my pants!
you. How the fuck?
What the? Are these like some fucking obscure bolt pattern?
I guess so. Damn it. Oh well.
Let's look it up. See what they are.
This is the new fad right here.
Dude, are those Kanye's new pants?
We just gotta get some fucking zip ties through them.
Oh god. Drift stitch. Drift stitch.
If it's too hot outside and you need to cool off a bit, that's how you fucking do it. Dude, those are like the ultimate in baggy pants. Fucking hell yeah.
Got those bell bottoms.
The airflow, dude. The airflow in them. It's like changing to a pod filter in your car for the first time. The airflow.
This is when we get demonetized. As soon as you have a dick slip.
Are you saying my dick is big enough to fit through my fucking box? You got yourself in a weird trap there, boy. Fucking calves. I'm gonna change pants.
Plot twist. This whole time, these were 4x108s. Just like the rarest fucking stud size ever, or bolt pattern. This whole time, they would have fit on the fucking Golden Goose.
Now, hold on. We don't know if they'll actually fit because of the
Well,
offset.
fit the bolt pattern. That's what.
We don't know 100% for sure yet until we actually try it on the car.
But plot twist, we're gonna find out.
Oh! You know those Honda wheels that you got at the junkyard a long ass time ago?
Yeah.
Those are 4x114s. Yeah. I'll have to take the car on down to my grandparents and try them out, see if they'll fit. My problem with those is the offset too, though. So even though you put it, hold it that way, it doesn't matter. How you fucking hold your stupid fucking oil bottle, people. Just barely too small. Pristine!
Man. Oh, that smells like shit in there. Jesus.
I think it's just all grease and shit. for a spin.